Today I'm going to be changing the oil on my Toro right behind me. I got to get the Kubota out of the way. I need to move a couple things right here, and then we should be able to get the mower out and start the oil change. So I'm not too sure where this drain plug is. Don't tell me it's right there. It is right there. Of course, why wouldn't it be? I gotta look into here because I have no idea where the oil is. 57, 57. All right. Just simply control the shut off engine and drain the oil from the engine. I don't know where that is there, sir. Oh. Right here's the engine oil, changing the engine oil. So you're doing it roughly every 100 hours or yearly. But so you got your oil filter right here, and then I guess this is a like oil return line, which is this guy right here. So you have your oil filter, your oil return, or whatever this is. But it says to take it out of here, and then once you take it out, you should be able to drain it. I'm gonna take the bottle and then this hose and just pull it out of this holder, and then pull it below the throttle cable line and just let it drain. And as you can see, we are draining. I think we're supposed to do it a little bit differently. Oh, there we go. All right, now we're doing something. No. All right, we got down to the little dribbles, so I think that's gonna be good enough. Let me try and finagle this. All right. Yep, that should be good. Calls for 82 or 84 fluid ounces of oil. I only had like 2.5 quarts, so I got probably about 80 out of it. But I think there's residual oil that's gonna be sitting in there no matter what from the previous oil before I changed it. So we're all good. I'm gonna start it up, make sure everything still runs just fine, and then
we should be good for the rest of the year. Change it again next year and kind of go from there.
4, 3, 2, 5. Yeah, it's pretty legible. Toro oil's changed and the air filter has been cleaned out, so we're all good for this year.